Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And have you ever wondered why your Android phone slows down over time after using for a couple of years? And if not, then please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video we are going to talk about why your Android phone slows down over time and how we can fix it to speed up your Android phone. So let's get started. So guys, as you know, Android have something called as garbage collection. What it does is collects users information, etc., and it just stores them in the temporary files and all, and that actually keeps a load on your file system and the Android operating system. So definitely your phone will slow down over time. So guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to get further notification whenever we upload any video. Also, please share this particular video among your friends, family and whomsoever, so that they are educated. If you know anyone whose phone is slowing down, this will definitely help them to improve the performance and not buying another phone. So number one reason guys why your operating system will be slowing down is only because of the OS update. So sometimes manufacturer, they try to push the latest update and the security patch, and with this particular update guys, they have a potential to slow down your system intentionally. They slow it down so that you buy the latest product and think that it is actually for your phone is actually slowing down and you all might need an upgrade. So please be very careful when you are updating. Please watch all the reviews of that particular patch or an update which is pushed to your phone. Don't blindly just update your phone. Please watch all those videos which are there by the YouTubers and check if there is any harm for your phone. If not, you can go and update after watching those particular video. Just in case guys, if your phone is slowing down after a recent OS update or after updating the operating system, there is the only way to fix it is by resetting your phone. You all have to take up your backup and then reset your phone. So that's the only way to fix this thing. Second most reason is because of the background process which is being used by most of the unused apps. So as you all must have seen, there are some bloatwares which are previously installed, the system apps, so called as system apps, which cleans your memory, boost up your performance, optimizes your battery and all that crap. So please guys, be please aware of this. I know most of the systems and all comes up with unremovable apps which cannot be deleted, somewhat like from odds of this Chinese manufacturer. They promise you to boost your RAM and boost your performance. This is all fake guys. I mean, Android is so smart that it can clean itself, but the issue is we try to test it and we try even to trust this kind of apps and then go and clean all those things, but then boosting your RAM, etc., and you might be thinking that it is actually going to speed up your phone. Nothing happens like that guys. It actually slows down your phone. So if possible, please stay away from this kind of RAM boosters and cleaners apps and all, and your phone will be much more safer, because you are not going to give your precious data to some third-party company, and also will be trying to speed up your phone. The third issue is guys, after installing a heavy wallpaper or a widget or launchers, your phone will completely slow down. And this happens is because majority of the people, they try to stick with the company's ROM. Like for example, if I have like MIUI or Samsung, I'm not saying they are bad, they are pretty good, but these are very tax heavy on your resources of your phone, example RAM, etc. And what you all can do is you all can just install some basic launchers like something like the Nova launcher or the Pixel launcher, which is bit lighter on your phone. Also guys, please remove all those widgets, and you don't need a very heavy wallpaper and all. Like for example, me, what I try to do is I just like to keep the default wallpaper or just put a black screen when it comes to wallpaper. So in this particular case, what will happen is your phone is not going to use the essential resources for utilizing of the wallpaper and all. Also, I try to remove something like the widgets and also which I'm not using. Like I don't need 2 weather widget, or I don't need a calendar widget on my home screen and 10, 20, 30, 40 icons and all. And what I like to do is I keep them in app drawer, and only those apps which I use on a day-to-day basis and those essential apps, I try to keep it on the home screen. Otherwise my home screen is mostly blank. So what happens is the phone is much more utilized in terms of resources, etc. This is definitely going to speed up your process. The fourth most reason, guys, why your phone is slowing down so significantly is because you are filling up the storage space. And most of those people whom I ask, guys, why their phones are slow, they have almost 80 to 90% phone filled up with the stuff which they don't even require. I mean, who needs those WhatsApp forward, like those good morning, good afternoon messages of WhatsApp? They definitely can be deleted. All those memes and those stupid videos what people are sending you over WhatsApp and all, you all don't require them. So please delete, clear up the space, and which will be speeding up your phone eventually. So once what happens is once your phone is being filled, it does not have that much of resources. File system tries to read each and every file. So this is definitely going to put a tax on your operating system, and your phone will eventually slow down, and also your battery will be draining. Fifth and foremost reason why your phone is slowing down is because you have some bloatware installed. So please make a note, guys, once and at least for a while, just go through all the applications which you really require or not. So you might be having something for like some banking application or something like payment application and all. I don't want to be specific at any company, but those kind of apps we like end up not using them. So that is going to tax up all your phone and going to use your resources. And also please note that it is going to be running in your background too. So those kind of apps we need to get rid of it. Something like Facebook and Instagram, guys, they are continuously running your background process, etc. I would recommend using a lighter version of this. So you have something like Facebook Lite and Instagram Lite. So with this you are not only going to save the storage space, the resources, etc., but you are also going to store on your internet data. So with these particular apps, that is Facebook Lite and Instagram Lite, if you have to use it, please use the lighter version, because now at least in 2021 they are having a pretty good feature. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on CreativeSoft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot, guys, for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.